Hey everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to do the camera shake effect tutorial on CapCut. So if you guys want to add the camera shake effects on your photo or video on CapCut, I'm gonna show you how to do that. So here I've already added a photo and I want to add the effects. So what you guys can do is click on effects option at the bottom and click on video effects, and here go to basic category and find the camera shake effects. Just browse over until you find the options. Okay, so this one right here, camera shake, just click on that and click on a check icon, and after that just click on adjust. And here the range, for the range I'm gonna set it into 13, 13, yeah, and the speed I'm going to adjust it into 20. Okay, and after that just click on the check icon, and here is the final result. Okay guys, so that's the easiest tutorial on how you can add camera shake effect in your video on CapCut. I hope this video will be helpful to you. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like the video, please do click on the thumbs up icon. Don't forget to leave a comment and subscribe to our channel. See you at the next tutorial. Bye bye.